where the Provincial Commissioner, General Lieutenant Ntletla Mkhwanazi, exposed the controversial businessman. I don't know if we should call him businessman. I'm talking about Vusimuzi Ket Matlala. I don't think he's a businessman. This man is a criminal. He's behind bars because he tried to delete his ex-girlfriend allegedly. We've heard so many things about this man. This man is a criminal and we should address him as a criminal because he's behind bars. So I don't think he's a businessman.
And this was sitting at 214, where I was indicating that the Mr. Matlala, Ket Matlala, Vusimuzi Ket Matlala, is one fellow that has been enjoying too much privilege from the law enforcement. And the typical example is that one of, or at least few of his vehicles, not talking about the number, but it's a couple of them, 4 or 5, the number will be confirmed through the report. His personal vehicles were registered by the Deputy Chief of Police at Ekurhuleni, that is Major General Mkhwanazi.
I'm still shocked what I heard yesterday about Vusimuzi Ket Matlala. Ekurhuleni municipality is dirty, hey? No wonder there's no service delivery. There's no service delivery or whatsoever because they are busy allegedly colluding with criminals. They're working with criminals allegedly. The Ekurhuleni municipality management has to be dismantled, okay? Like as soon as possible. That management must fall, you know? That management must just collapse. As Advocate Difo would say on the Senzo Mayor murder trial, he would say that case must just collapse because South Africa is a movie, I'm telling you. What is this? Like Vusimuzi Ket Matlala is enjoying the blue lights in Ekurhuleni. This Deputy General of Ekurhuleni registered Matlala's vehicles under the municipality using funds of Ekurhuleni, and some of the officers there are on his payroll. Instead of having police officers who are doing their duties, no, they are working with criminals. What is this? Now, the general also mentioned Katiso Molefe, TK Molefe, the one who deleted DJ Somebody, the one who was exposed by City Press publication. Apparently, he hijacked a multi-billion rand airport development project. He registered his firm just 2 days after the advert was published. I mean, that project was worth 350 billion rand. Katiso Molefe was actually going to hijack that tender. He was going to hijack that tender if he wasn't arrested.